Hey, what's up, everybody? Jessica here with Deborah, and in today's video, we're going to have a little fun. I'm going to help you set up a Clickbank offer with Propeller ads, and I'll show you how you can track conversions and volume. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are going ahead and jump in Clickbank and go ahead and pull this offer. So, fun fact, I've already recorded all of this video. I had to re-record because the other video had no audio. So I was recording for like an hour, setting this up, and you can hear nothing. So I am literally going to zoom through this, sorry, but it should be probably better than having a two-part series since I've already done it all. So let's go ahead and get started. So I suggest going broad when you're going for Clickbank products for push notifications because you can't do any interest targeting, and a lot of these products have been tested with particular age groups. So therefore, I would say stick with a product that you can use for both genders, or stick with a product that you can compartmentalize into one gender. So fitness is good, biz op is good, forex trading is good, finance is good, stuff like that. Or like parenting, something you can think of too. Everybody got kids. So obviously I jumped into the health and fitness. I think that's something that kind of covers all bases. You can do one for male, one for female, one for both. For this, I would say let's go with the Cinderella solution. Always look at the affiliate page. Always look at the affiliate gravity. Getting some good traction on this offer, so I said, shoot, let's just go for it. It's the top offer right now. Didn't want to waste any time on it. So that's how I landed up there. Take a look at their affiliate page. They kind of walk you through their sales flow. So you have a video sales letter that they're going to use, and then a sales page that they're going to use. It's going to go to the coaching upsell, and then they have in addition to that, they have a protein upsell. In addition to that, they have a food product upsell. So the average order value can go beyond the $33 that we saw on the Clickbank product page. So if we just go back to the offer, because this is what I recommend you do. Always, at least check it out, see what's going on. It's going to redirect you to this sales letter, which we could split test, and it has the order now. And then if you prefer to read, then then this is going to be the written landing page here. All right. And then they have this $10 discount voucher to get a discount or whatever. So when you go into the affiliate area, you have to provide your email so that they can email you your affiliate resources. So the average order value is usually $62, EPC $3, and let's take a look here. You can obviously build an email list if that's something you would prefer to do. And the demographics are going to be older women, but just mainly women too. They do have customers in their high 30s and over 65, which I thought was interesting, that they didn't have more customers in their high 30s. And then you have your hop link, which is important because if you're tracking sales where you have multiple offers, like this Organifi situation, that's important. And then here are your swipe files and your images. And then another lander that is more Facebook friendly. So the thing that I like about Clickbank products is they've pretty much done all the testing. They've done all the copywriting. You can use this copywriting in your ad copy, and there's another swipe file too. And I like their copywriting just overall. 22 pounds gone in 13 days with this strange card pairing trick. They pique interest, so to speak, right? They leave the element of surprise. So once you have your offer, you need to go ahead and get your hop link, because if you're using third-party tracking like we do, then you need to go ahead and set this up in volume. So in order to do this in volume, I did the whole thing. I'm backing out now. So in order to set it up in volume, you would need to be in the offers. Let me just back out because, like I said, I've done all of this. And then you would add a new offer. So let me just show you really quick. All right. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this part. Oh, see, I was working on it. All right, let me get this hot link. I didn't even copy. Let's do this one. This is to the written sales page. So then I go into volume, add my URL, and then you do your title. And then you can type in the affiliate network. You can type in that it's mobile, whatever floats your boat. And then make sure you change your global tag. So like for this one, I'd probably go with the UK. And then I would do auto because we're going to be using a post-back tracking pixel URL. And it's going to automatically come through the URL and the pixel. So then you would just save it. So after you add the offer, then you have to go into your settings. Let me move myself. And you would get your tracking URL. You would copy it. You go back into Clickbank. And let me move myself back over. Then you're going to go into your vendor settings. And then you go to my site. And then you scroll down. And then you would do the integrated sales reporting. Again, I've already done it. So I'm going to do it again. Fun times, fun times. Lesson learned. Now I'm like looking at it like, is the shit on? All right, so Clickbank's been being dorky this morning too. All right, hold on. All right, so tracking pixel right there. We're an affiliate confirmation page. We don't need everything, but we do need the verification hash. I need the affiliate tracking code, and I need the affiliate commission because that's my payout. Parameter, and this is going to be my conversion ID, click ID parameter, and this is going to be my unique transaction ID. All right, so then I would save, and then I can delete it because I don't need to, but and then you would hit play, and then it's active like that. So I'm going to delete it because I don't need to. And then that's that. That's conversions. So then you would hop back into volume. You would create your campaign, and then you get your campaign URL. So just briefly, you go to campaigns, new campaign, simple. You would do your traffic source. So for us, it's going to be propeller ads. Need to delete some of these. Then you would do your targeting for your that, and then you would do your Cinderella. I'll just do that, right? And then if it's mobile, you can do that, whatever. I am doing CPC, so I put in here that I'm going for a 2-cent bid probably. I'm doing direct linking straight to the video, straight to the sales page. So then you would just get your offer, and you would choose your offer. And then you would save it. I'm not going to save it because I already have a campaign. So let me back up out of here. Let me move myself back. And then let me find the campaign. So we are here. So I would go in the campaign after. So pretend like you did hit save. Ooh, please open. Can Oh, won't let me open this shit. Can I please get the shit? Let's just edit it. All right, so tracking, copy, and then you go into propeller ads, and then you would build your campaign. So I'm gonna go in here, and we're gonna complete this. Oh no. Well, yeah, no, whatever. So, because I was gonna say, I jumped into the spy tool to look up this stuff. So while that's loading, let me see if the spy tool is still up and running. Yeah. So what ended up doing is you go into Applexity if you're curious about the flow for some of these offers. You can filter it by affiliate network. They are one of the only ones you can do that. You can do that on Mobidius and you can do that on Anstrex too, but that's it. And then so you go down, and as you can see, the offer is being promoted on this traffic source. So you can take into consideration the icons that they're using. Like this person's using a product, this lady's using the family picture of the person, and then this lady's using the product too. And then, you know, the text, 40-year-old mother, they're calling out the age in the title, which is smart. I did not particularly think was smart because they used the poop icon like it's a detox item, and that's not. And then, hey, I lost 84 pounds last month. Losing 84 pounds in a month is highly unrealistic unless you're getting surgery. So I didn't like that part of the copy. But then here they were just like, fuck it. I don't have anything else to give. Let's just call out the product. And what she used to melt over 80 pounds, like the grammar is like totally jacked, right? So then once I clicked on these offers, oh, my nose bothered me. All right, so then once I clicked on these offers, then you can take a look at the targeting. So most of these are going for desktop. The landing page was going to the sales letter that I'm also using, so you can do a breakdown of the websites that they're going to and where they're getting their traffic, the traffic sources they're using. This one is Rich Push, you know, and then you can verify that the landing page that is being used is up here. And then if you want to download it and upload it to Amazon Web Service because you want to expedite the speed, if that's something that you are concerned about, then you can do that too. It's taking a while to load, but it's definitely that landing page. Okay, yeah, there it is. Yeah, see, so there's the same landing page from the offer. So then you would just go into campaign. There is a campaign URL that we got from Volume. So how I came up with the copy is going to be, you know, just combining what was in the swipe for the spy tool, and then also the swipe files, right? So they had a lot of good words like shocked her doctor by completely reversing, or stumbled on this strange carb trick, right? So that's a good tip for you whenever you're trying to come up with some good copy. So I said, since it's her, I lost this in, you know, problem spots, burn fat faster. Let's see, 40-year-old mother. So I called out the age again without starving or exercising. So kind of feed into, like, you know, the transformation. And then carb pairing trick melts fat, and then do this 3 times a day. So that's just, you know, and then you would just keep testing, and then you would just keep filling this in until you have about 8. And then here you can take a look at how it's going to look. Right? And then you can look at your preview to make sure your text is good to go. Right? Okay? And then, so as far as the campaign setup itself, we're doing cost per click. The frequency and capping this is by default 1 per 24 hours. You can play with this 2 per 48, whatever have you, depending on your testing. And we will go for all traffic. And for testing, I would probably just do all. And let's see here. You would type in let's get out of the preview actually. Type in your geo and then your CPC bid, right? And then it gives you your recommended. And so I came up with 2 cents because I compared the traffic sources or the traffic on Zero Park and Rich Push, and Zero Park was coming in at like 5 cents, I think, and then Rich Push was coming in at like 4. So I came in at 2. My recommendation is start low, work yourself up. That's pretty much it. Don't want to be working yourself backwards. So for testing, since we usually do sweepstakes, I would always say go 10x, 20x, because those payouts are a little lower. They're between $1 to $3. But because I'm setting this up for a Clickbank offer and I'm not too sure how conversions would be, I'm just going to go in with the cost of, so you can do 3x the cost of the average order value, which is $33. So I can go in with a campaign budget of $90 and then 3x that, or I just said, well, I'll just go in with the cost of one product and then do that over 3 days too, and you can kind of test that, see how that plays out. But I usually don't go over $50 for testing. It's just, this is a Clickbank product and I wanted to show you guys theoretically how you can set it up. It's really easy when you're doing it with push notifications. And then here would be your day parting. So I would highly recommend excluding times that people are not going to probably be reading their phones, accepting push notifications. And here is where you would do your targeting for just mobile. We cannot do iOS, so that's by default. And then you would create a separate campaign if you want to do desktop. And then that's it. You would just, and then I saved it. And so I can send this in, to be honest with you, if I want to start running traffic to it. So I am debating on it. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, leave them down for me in the comments down below. Don't forget, you can always find me in the AFK forum. And also subscribe to my channel. We'll be doing more follow alongs like this. The next one will be more in-depth, I promise. It's just, I've recorded it like 5 times. I'm literally tired of this topic. I need to move on to something else. And if you would like more videos, make sure you also hit that notification bell. I will be posting more videos back to back, probably at least twice a day upcoming, so you don't want to miss those. All right, so thanks for watching, and you guys have a good one.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on Clickbank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.